All right, everyone. This is another continuation of a list. Um, so this is a list, for example, um, and that is this. So list has another nested list. So in this lecture, I'm going to explain to you how we can access an element or a list of elements or a few elements within, from a list. So for example, names. If I want to access the second element, then index number 1, right? So Control S save and Control Enter to execute. Then I can access the second element by giving index 1. If I want to access, for example, the last element, then last one, you don't need to count, but simply say -1. Then there'll be the last element, which is Peter. Similarly, if you want to access the second last ones, then -2, so that it'll be second element is entire death, right? So the second last element will be counted from the beginning. So it'll be the index 0, 1, 2, 3. So there is nothing but 3. So if I want to list a fourth element from the list names or second last element from the list, these two print statements should return the same ones, right? Like this. So we have same output. We can also access the element in the nested list. If we want to have the first element of that nested list, then you can have the index continually. So the first element is 0, right? Then there'll be mercy, right? And then similarly, if you want to have the second element in the nested list, then if you use the -1 here, then also you could have a -1 there. Okay, so that you have also the last element in the nested list of that list. And also we can print element in the range. If I want to list, for example, 1, 2, 3, then what happens is I'm going to extract the second element. This is a fourth element, but the second index here after colon, that element is excluded for everything before that. So the second element, third element, this is a fourth element, but fourth element should be excluded. So if you execute it, oh, sorry for the list name. Okay, so it'll be Adam and Smith. So Adam, second, third, and fourth. This is named 3 here in this range with a colon, but the second index up to second index, but that's excluded. Exclusive second index. Similarly, print names. If you put simply the colon with the no, nothing, then it gives you what? Entire. I didn't specify the first index. I didn't specify the second index there, right? And also, you can do, for example, number 1 here. So first index is specified, which is the second element, but the second index is not specified, then it is open all the way, right? So it is this, from the second all the way. See here, this is a given, but John is excluded, but after that remains. Okay. Similarly, print names, and then first element open and second element, say it lists from the beginning, but maybe 4. Okay. Then it goes to fourth element. This means fifth, but fifth is excluded. So from the beginning to the fourth. So 0, 1, 2, 3, which is fourth element. All right. Thank you.